Vicky, what are you doing? Are you playing with the buttons? What if I take this button and go boop and throw it in there? Boop. You want it out? Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness, you're making a mess. Whoa! There goes another one. Here, I'm going to get this big one and I'm going to say boop. I'm going to throw it back in. Look at this one. Whee! Here we go. Boop. Boop. Where are you going? Oh my goodness. Did you just drop that button on the floor? Are you going to come get another one? Come on. You going to come get another one? Let's see what you have. Boop. And the yellow one. Boop. Like that. You coming? What are you doing? You going to go check out the dish? Huh? Oh, I see. What did you find? What did you find? You're going to tell me what kind of stuff you really love? You like the Fruity Pebbles, huh? The Fruity Pebbles? Do you like them? Say, I want a berry. Do you want a berry? Do you want a berry? The buttons got boring, didn't they? You want this one? This one's a really fun button. Oh my goodness. Can you put it back in here? No, you're just gonna play with it? Oh, you dropped it. Can you put it back? Oh, you're gonna put the button in the dish. That's fun. Okay, okay. You gonna get that one? Oh, you threw it out. Wait, what else can you find? Oh, really? What is in there? A big button. Ooh, that's a pretty one. You like it? It's interesting, isn't it? I'm sure it doesn't taste very good. Oh my. Oh, throw that one down. Vicky, watch. Watch. Boop. I threw it back in the jar. Oh, you're going to get it out. Oh, you're going to get it out. You threw it out of the jar. Mommy's going to put it back in. Here I go. Boop. Yay! Can you put it in the jar? Oh, you're going to drop it off the table, you little stinker. Look at you. Oh, you're going to scoot it. Oh, boy. And you're going to drop it. Oh, my goodness. Did you just drop that button off the table? You did, didn't you? Okay, I'm going to get... Oh, that's a lid. That's a lid. Here, look. I'm going to take the button. See the big button? Right here. And I'm going to drop it in the jar. Drop. And I'm going to take this button. And I'm going to drop it in the jar. Oh, you're going to throw it out. You're going to throw it out. I see that. Oh, my goodness. Now what? Now what? What else is in there? Vicky, you're funny. What can you find? Are there a lot of buttons? All sorts of shapes and sizes. I'm going to get the button. I'm going to get the button. Here's the big one. Boop, back in the jar. And boop, back in the jar. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you're cute. So, let's see. Oh, you dropped your chili. You dropped your chili. I'm going to put it over here. So what do you want to do? Can you say, what can you tell me? You want a berry? You want a berry? See his one foot, his left foot. He has, I have a lady come in to trim his claws. I just got him and his claws are very, very super long. And so I think he has an injury on his left foot that's really old and his toe doesn't work properly. But I think once we get the nails, excuse me, once we get the nails trimmed, I think he'll be able to walk a lot better. Yes? Do you want a berry? Do you want a berry? You're a sweet bird when you're not biting me. Yeah, I know. Sweet boy. Sweet boy. Hi, Vicky. Good bird. Good bird. Pretty exciting. I know it. It's very exciting. Okay. This is Vicky. This is what he does. He's not talking right now, but he says, do you want a berry? And he also says, it's okay. It's okay. And he likes to steal my lunch and my milk. So, thanks for watching.